Today, I'll show you how to make Yaki Onigiri, Japanese grilled rice balls. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Yaki Onigiri is a classic izakaya menu, but we also enjoy eating it at home or grilling outdoor. I'll show you a tip on how to prevent the rice from sticking to the pan while grilling. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
To start, cook 3 rice cooker cups of Japanese short grain rice in a rice cooker or on the stove top. If you want to learn how to cook rice on the stove top, click the top right corner or find the link in the description box below. Transfer the hot cooked rice into a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. With the rice paddle, use a slicing motion to combine the seasonings and rice well. Now you're ready to shape the rice balls. Moisten both palms with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Scoop a handful of rice onto your non-dominant hand. Place your dominant hand on top of the rice in a mountain shape and gently press the top corner. Rotate the rice ball and press the corner. Continue to press and rotate until the rice ball is a nice triangle shape. Press down the side to flatten the rice ball in between. If you have an onigiri mold, soak it in the water so the rice doesn't stick to it. Fill the mold with the rice all the way to the top edge, making sure to fill the corners. Cover with the lid and push down firmly. You should feel a slight resistance. If not, you may want to add a bit more rice. Flip over the mold onto a baking sheet or plate lined with the parchment paper. Now let's grill the rice balls. Place a sheet of parchment paper on a large frying pan. For the glaze, combine 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Dip your fingers in water to prevent sticking and gently place the rice balls on the parchment paper. Grill the rice balls on medium-low heat until all sides are crispy and lightly browned. Once brown on the bottom, flip them over. Brush the rice balls with the soy sauce glaze, then turn over to brush on the other side. When both sides are nicely brown and crispy, transfer to a plate. Enjoy! いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!